Hey YouTube, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. Please hit that subscribe button, click on the little bell, and let's be friends. Hi friends. Okay, before we get into this video, I just want to tell you all that it was pre-recorded, and I know today is Monday, so happy Monday and happy new month of December. I'm piecing this all together. We've had a snowstorm, can you believe it? Anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. I know it's a little bit of a mess, but it's just a little bit of Christmas cheer just to make us happy. Anyways, I'm going to roll the video now, and I hope you have a beautiful and blessed week ahead. And you will see me very, very soon with a whole bunch of new videos. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys. Hello, peeps. Happy Friday. Happy after Thanksgiving. Happy Black Friday. I am putting out this video today, and I'm hoping that y'all aren't just out shopping and not gonna watch YouTube. Okay, so I'm filming this video before Friday, obviously, because I don't know, like, I wanted to get this done beforehand. I've already filmed this video once, and then this morning I went to Aldi and I got a little mat for my front door, which I'm going to show you that. Okay, so I'm going to roll the clips, and then I'm going to show you the mat. We're going to put the mat on, and then I'm going to pretty much be done the video and come back inside, because today it's freezing. It's so cold, y'all. It's so cold. It was, I think, 30 degrees here at night. Last night, it was so cold. So cold. So very cold. Okay, I don't like the cold. But I want a little holiday cheer outside. My neighbor across the street today, when I was coming back from the grocery store, the really sweet couple, really sweet couple, they are putting out all their Christmas like lawn stuff, and they live on the corner, so she's done like 10, 12 things on the front of the house, and then the whole side she's got like these minions. They're so cute. And here I am with my, well, you'll see, the sad 2 trees and the 1 wreath and the little lights. Speaking of the lights for the I think I have it here. Let me see. Yeah, the curtain lights. I don't know if I showed this before. The curtain lights from this company. I'm gonna leave everything linked down below. Okay, so don't even worry. Really nice. And Angela was saying to me, she was telling me that teen girls love this kind of curtain lights in their bedrooms. So that's a cute gift, right? Like if you wanted to, if you've got like a grandchild or a teen girl or something, and you want to give them like a fun gift, that's a fun gift to give. Like, they're really inexpensive, y'all. Really inexpensive. So that's a great gift to give. But I'm sorry, I'm really not feeling well. I had them on the other night. They look real pretty. From outside, they look real pretty. And then on the inside, they're just lovely. They're just lovely. Like, it's just a nice glow. And they come with a bajillion different settings. So if you wanted to do something like that, they have lots of settings. All right, let's go outside. I'll take you outside. It's a gloomy day today, and it is cold. So you'll see I'm wearing something else in the other video, like in the clips. And then today I'm wearing my big sweater, which I love, and it's from Walmart. If you want to know, it's so soft. I absolutely love this sweater. Walmart, y'all. Walmart always has the cutest craziest sweaters, and I think that's like under $18, under $20 for sure. Okay, let's go outside. Y'all, you're gonna have to forgive me, because seriously, this is not like a big video. This is not like a Bella video. Okay, this is not like a plethora of, you know, styling and stuff like that. Okay, let's just go outside and I'll show you. It's so nice out, y'all. It's like that in between. Like the sun's gonna start setting soon, so we don't have a lot of time. But can you see the wreath? Oh, where's the wreath? All right, you can't see my wreath. All right, this is silly. Let's get to decorating. Okay, y'all, we might have to do this quick. So here's the trees I was telling you about. They're the 4-foot unlit ones. I haven't even opened them to see what these look like. I hope they're cute. Let me go get a knife and a jacket quickly. Okay, I got one tree in. And let me tell you, that was not easy at all. Whew. First of all, let's be honest. Hold on, let me move you back a little. Maybe you could see the tree a little bit better. Okay, first of all, it's gonna be pitch black here in just a few minutes. That sun is really, it's really gonna settle any minute now. Hold on, let me see if I can move you this way. Can you see me better this way? Lord help me. Okay, y'all. What I'm gonna do is, you saw this now. I'm gonna, because it's gonna be so dark here in just a few minutes, I'm gonna wrap the lights. I'm gonna put the other tree up, and Osmar's doing the inside curtain lights, and I'm gonna show you the nighttime view tonight. And then tomorrow morning when I wake up, I'll show you the daytime view. It's gonna be cute. I think it's gonna be cute. It's just enough. It's just enough Christmas. And I really gotta clean this porch after I'm done that. So let's put some lights on and see how it goes. All right, y'all. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna keep trying to play with this and find a way to get this, oh my goodness, these trees to sit still. Hopefully I can find a way to get them to look as beautiful as possible, but this is not cutting it for me. Now from far away, like in the camera, it looks all right. Horrible quality. Do not spend the $5. Go buy yourself, save your money and buy cute ones from Walmart that are pre-lit and the works, and that just, you know, are so much better. I mean, I'm gonna be sitting here forever fluffing this. All right, y'all, let's see what I can do. I'm getting frustrated, and that's it. The sun is almost done. You can see it in my window there. It's almost done. Anyways, well, y'all, real life decorating. This is what happens when you real life decorate. And you get what you pay for. I know. I really want to find a way to dig and put the tree in the planter, not on the feet. Like I have it on the feet now, but that's not what I want. Okay, let's finish. Okay, y'all, we are outside. What I do for you all, I'm telling you right now, I am not a girl for cold at all. But this is what I got at Aldi today. If you are still in the market for a floor mat, how stinking cute is this? Good Lord Almighty. $6.99, 18 by 30, and they layer just so beautifully. Walmart has cute ones too, but they're $10. So, you know, save yourself $4. Why not? I think this is gonna look beautiful. I want to show you one more thing that I got today. I think this is gonna look so pretty. Let me stand up and we'll put this here. It is the perfect layering mat, y'all. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that the cutest? I think it's so cute. All right. And one last thing that I bought today. Now, I had my eye on this for so long. Look how cute this mirror is. Okay, pan in there. It's a little mirror tray. You can see my walkway. It's a little mirror tray, and it's, oh, here, better view. Look at that. Well, I'm gonna use this for Christmas decor. Now, the original price of this was, I've been looking at it for a while, $14.99. Yeah, $14.99. It came in gold and it came in black. And last week when I was there, they put it on sale for 11 something. And I thought, do I really need it? It's not really a sale. Now I'm gonna wait. I said, no, I don't need it. I don't need it. Like, I don't need this stuff. I really don't. Like, I need it like I need a hole in my head. Really, truthfully. I don't need this stuff. But today, I saw it for $7.99 or $6.99. Something like that. $6.99 or $7.99. Really inexpensive. Really, really inexpensive. And I thought, this is going to look so cute. I have an idea for it. So, I'm going to have a whole bunch of new videos coming up next week. We're going to decorate the living room, the entranceway, living room, whatever. I'll show you some new stuff I got. I went to the thrift store. I got some new stuff. I got these really, really cool candle holders. Wait till you see them. They are so nice. I'll show you how I styled everything. I'm doing that kind of winter wonderland deal. So you'll see all that. And yeah, so, okay, so I'm gonna take you off the tripod. I'm gonna say goodbye right now. I'm gonna say goodbye. I hope you have an amazing weekend. And the reason why I'm doing this video, y'all, like, it's just, you know what? It's so little decor. It's so little decor. And I know that this is not my usual style. It's so little, but do what makes you happy on your budget, okay? So right now, this is the Bella budget. The Bella can't spend money, but still spends money. How does that work out? I don't know, but that's what we're doing. It's minimal decor because, again, we are not gonna pack an entire 24-foot U-Haul. I'm not gonna take these trees with me. Just saying. Do I recommend them? Absolutely not. No. Save your money, or save your money and get a little more money together. Go to Walmart. You know, I'm gonna give you my best tip, my absolute best tip. You're watching all these videos today. Okay, you're watching everybody decorate and everybody's going crazy and everybody's putting out these elaborate, gorgeous trees and all that. Okay, after Christmas, you collect all your money, you get your gift cards. If you get gift cards for Christmas, whatever, I'm freezing, y'all, freezing. You collect all your money and you go after Christmas and you get Christmas trees and you get Christmas decor and you get all the decor. You go to, you hunt out Michael's when they have their bag deals. You know, the Michael bag deals? Those are the best things you can do for yourself. I'm telling you, that's when you buy your seasonal decor after the fact for the next year. You've watched all the videos. You know what you like. You know what you like. You're gonna do traditional red, gold, and green. You're golden. You're gonna do all white. You're golden. Don't worry. There'll be tons of stuff out there. You know, pick up the stuff that you just can't afford. You want to get yourself great outdoor trees for next year? You wait till after Christmas and you go after Christmas and you get them. That is my tip of the day. That is my Bella's shopping tip of the day, because that's how you'll get the most for your money. Trust me. Listen, if I'm hoping, I'm declaring it. I'm on the fence, but we'll see. If God willing, and it's in his plan, that when I get down to Florida at Christmas, Angela and I finally decide that, yeah, we're just gonna get a house and whatever, trust me, I will go through that house and I will look at that house real carefully, and I will think, where will I put a Christmas tree? And after Christmas, I would be running to Walmart, Hobby Lobby, and whatever to get my after Christmas seasonal decor stuff. Absolutely. All right, y'all, I'm gonna let you go. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Mwah.